In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to Hit Features. Now tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher at the top to activate it. Then decide if you wish to use your one-handed mode as small window or half screen. Tap on one of those options and follow all of those instructions. I will go with small window first. So now, when I hold my back button, I guess that one-handed mode is working properly. To scale your window, hold one of its top corners and drag it. To change placement of it, use this icon at the bottom right or left corner. To go back, just click on the black area. To use half screen, click on it. Then hold the back button again. And this time, to operate one-handed mode, you can swipe up to go back from it or click on this area at the top. Whatever you decided, if you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!